I'm on babysitting duty today because Francis says that Gino is working. But this bird just acts like it's constantly hungry. Hey? Like every 15 minutes, it's like going crazy. You can't possibly be hungry. No, actually can possibly be hungry because it's such a small little growing bird. But still. Hey? Can you please not? What do you want? Some peach? How cute is his little crown on his head? He's such a cutie, hey? Yes, Daisy, look at this bird. There we go. Calm down. You're growing, boy. Or girl. Is that good? You have the whole peach. I think I'm going to have leftover pasta.
Honey?
What have you got there, Noah?
A bird.
Whose bird is that?
Francis's.
And are you holding it?
Yes. Leave it. That's for now. Not for you. This. This.
I'm having a pretty bad vlogging day today. Not only just vlogging though, but just on a whole, I'm having a bad day. I think it's normal to have bad days. I'm just sorry that it's going to obviously affect my vlogging, and I'm just grateful that I have subscribers and people that do support me. I really appreciate that, but I won't stop vlogging or making movies because I know that that's what I want to do. When I'm having a bad day or have little motivation, I usually go and watch YouTube videos that can give me some motivation or inspiration. And I was just watching this video by Veritism or something. I don't even know how to pronounce the name, but his content and like talks that he does are really good, and I find it very inspiring because he's very good at just touching on topics that can really motivate and help you. And I was watching this one on I can see the word but I can't pronounce it. It's like I want to say efficiency, but it's not efficiency, it's efficacy or whatever. It was on how like you have to believe in yourself and motivate yourself, because at the end of the day, like, not a lot of people will always be there to help you, sort of thing. But anyway, it was a good talk, and I'm gonna put the link here because anyone else that like works for themselves and sometimes needs a little bit of motivation, it's a good topic, I think, just to watch. I'm feeling a little bit better, and even though it's late, I'm trying to turn my day around. I'm going to time-lapse these sheep because I think it would be cool or interesting to see. They seem to be enjoying their new paddock.